Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm here to share a couple of tips to help you manage your time more effectively. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, make a to-do list. Anytime we write down our goals or tasks we want to do, we're much more likely to complete them compared to if we didn't write them down. So I encourage students to make a to-do list every day, and to get into the habit of making the list in the evening before going to bed. That way you can focus on getting to sleep and not all the things you need to do the next day. Tip number 2, planning is everything. Start with a daily schedule and block out the times you have class, work, or other repeating appointments. Even block out times you're sleeping, showering, and eating. Now, many of us don't have set times for classes, right? No worries. Block out time to attend class, which might mean watching taped lectures, reviewing your class notes, or reading. Then transfer your to-do list items onto your schedule. Voila, you've got a schedule. A couple extra tips: get into the habit of doing things at the same time each day. Be realistic about what you can do in the time you have. Break down large tasks into smaller tasks. Minimize distractions by putting your phone out of hand's reach. When it comes to scheduling study time, try the Pomodoro Technique, which is doing 25-minute blocks of study time and taking 5-minute breaks in between. Good luck, and I hope these tips help.
Social connection is an important part of mental health, as this last year has demonstrated. We all have many mediums with which to reach out to others, but sometimes don't feel that we're reaching the quality of connection that we'd like. Please do emphasize quality rather than quantity. A few friends who truly see us and we feel uplifted by are the most important connections to build. It's great to build connections over common interests and passions. It's important to show initiative and to offer support because oftentimes other people are wondering how to reach out themselves. We should respect boundaries by actively speaking about them, and that includes respecting our own. Scheduling reoccurring time with someone can be an easy way to maintain a connection. Finally, it's important to show a little trust in order to find out who is trustworthy. If we show a little bit of ourselves, we will see how somebody holds that truth.
Noticing 5 things is an exercise that helps ground in the present moment and observe with the 5 senses. It involves noticing and observing 5 things that you can see, then 4 sounds that you can hear, then 3 things that you can touch or feel, 2 things that you can smell, and 1 thing that you can taste. You can do this exercise in 30 seconds to a minute. You can try it in moments when you feel overwhelmed, or incorporate it into your day, such as when waking up in the morning or before eating a meal. Would you like to try it and see what it's like? Observe 5 things you see, 4 things you can hear, 3 things that you can touch, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you can taste.
Hi, I'm Matthew Cullen, one of the counselors here at Green River College. As a college student, there are many different sources for stress in your life, but using the right tools can help you manage that stress in an effective and comfortable way. For instance, using a planner to manage your time, folders to keep your class papers organized, and either a notebook, tablet, or laptop to take and keep notes are simple but effective tools to help prevent stress. Using focus timer apps such as Study Bunny, Flora Green Focus, or Pomodoro Focus Timer can help keep you from getting distracted so you can get your work done in a timely manner. And of course, I don't want to forget to mention how helpful having a light therapy box or using full spectrum light bulb can be during those times of year we just don't get to see the sun that often. There are also great applications to help us when we do experience stress. From helping redirect your thoughts, to guiding you through a breathing exercise, or even directing you through mindful meditation, apps like Insight Timer, Calm, Headspace, and Shine are just a few that offer free and paid recordings on a number of different topics. Of course, these tools are all about personal preference, so it's going to be important to find the ones that are right for you. And if you need help doing that, you can always reach out to counseling services.
As you're watching these tips, if you're starting to get a little overwhelmed, let me remind you that no strategy to address stress should become a point of stress itself. All of these ideas are to be used within a capacity that you assess for yourself on a daily basis. Strive for balance, trying out 1 or 2 new ideas to see what integrates well into your current lifestyle is a much more sustainable approach. It's important to forgive ourselves when we don't reach our goals or when there's frustrations and setbacks, and that includes for any wellness goal or tip that you're working with. Please offer yourself some kindness and grace in the interest of finding balance.